I'm here with.
Vivian Dennis.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
What is the weight of your ball?
It's either 13 or 14 pounds. I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure it's 13.
How long have you been bowling?
Since sophomore year.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
I try to block bowling from my mind, but from this year, I put lotion on my hands before a Baker tournament, and I was the very first person to bowl during the tournament, and I went to bowl, and the ball slipped out of my hand and rolled backwards in front of everyone.
What's your best bowl?
I don't really keep track because I'm really bad, but I remember I got like a 150 something, but it was during a practice, so it didn't count.
How do you feel you've done this season?
Really bad.
And how do you feel about sectionals?
Really bad.
Okay, thanks.
I'm Lily here with
Bailey.
What grade are you in?
I'm a sophomore.
How much does your ball weigh?
11 pounds.
How long have you been bowling?
This is my first year.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
Just practices.
What's your best bowl?
Like a 170.
How do you feel you've done this season?
Doing good, I think.
And how do you feel about sectionals?
I hope it goes well.
I'm here with.
Hunter Miller,
What grade are you in?
junior year.
How long have you been bowling?
This would be my third year of bowling.
How much does your ball weigh?
It's 14 pounds.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
Probably Jason Hackworth launching a bowling ball into the ceiling. That was pretty funny.
What's your best bowl?
My best bowl is a 218.
How do you feel you've done this season?
I could have done better, you know. I mean, it wasn't great. I think there were some good parts, but it wasn't very good. It could have been better. Could have been better.
And how do you feel about sectionals?
I feel like we can do good. I mean, if we all play super good, we can probably place pretty high, but we just all got to play good. So.
I'm Lily here with.
Braden Ford.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
How much does your ball weigh?
14 pounds.
How long have you been bowling?
It's my first year.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
Anytime Dilberry does anything.
What's your best bowl?
191.
How do you feel you've done this season?
All right.
How do you feel about sectionals?
I think we're gonna win.
I'm here with.
Colin Beatty.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 9th grade.
How long have you been bowling?
About 4 years.
How much does your ball weigh?
14 pounds.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
Probably being able to go to FAC with the team.
What's your best bowl?
244.
How do you feel you've done this season?
Not as good as I wanted it to be.
How do you feel about sectionals?
Pretty good.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm here with
Ashley.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 11th grade.
How much does your ball weigh?
It's 10 pounds.
How long have you been bowling?
This is my second year doing it.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
Probably anything with Sarah Easter.
What's your best bowl?
A 189.
How do you feel you've done this season?
I feel like I've improved since last year.
And how do you feel about sectionals?
I think it'll get okay.
I'm here with.
Emily Howard.
What grade are you in?
12.
How long have you been bowling?
This is my 4th year.
How much does your ball weigh?
14 pounds.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
I have two. I wasn't there for the first one, but I saw the video of it when that one kid threw a ball in the ceiling. And then when we had the FAC thing my sophomore year, and I fell throwing the ball.
What's your best bowl?
I think 182, but I could be lying.
How do you feel you've done this season?
I've done okay.
And how do you feel about sectionals?
It's not gonna go well, but it'll be fun.
All right, thank you.
You're with.
SJ.
What grade are you in?
12.
How long have you been bowling?
This is my first year.
How much does your ball weigh?
14 pounds.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
When the kid from Jackson threw it across 3 lanes and hit another kid.
What's your best bowl?
224.
How do you feel you've done this season?
Fairly well for being my first year.
And how do you feel about sectionals?
I feel good, but we're not going to do well.
Thanks.
I'm here with,
Brendan Faven,
what grade are you in?
12th grade.
How long have you been bowling?
I believe 40 years now.
How much does your ball weigh?
15 pounds.
What's your favorite memory?
I think my favorite memory is just hanging out with like everybody around the bowling alley.
Mhm.
Like that, just like hanging around, listening, for that, having a good time.
What is your best bowl?
My best bowl, like during like the bowling season.
Yeah.
Well, I would say around like almost to like the 200s,
Mhm.
almost there.
All right. How do you feel you've done this season?
I think I've done pretty alright here and there.
And then how do you feel about sectionals?
I think we're going to do good and all for that. I'm just here for like a lot of fun opportunities and that. Let's like, just have a good old gag.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm here with.
Sarah Easter.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
How long have you been bowling?
This is my second year.
How much does your ball weigh?
I bowl a 11, like an 11-pound ball.
What's your favorite bowling memory?
Probably when last year at sectionals I was like really sick, but it was like the best game I've bowled.
What's your best bowl?
I'm gonna 158.
You said 278?
Yeah.
How do you feel you've done this season?
I did good at the beginning, but now I just kind of suck.
How do you feel about sectionals?
I'm really excited. I can't wait to do all the chants. We're going to be so pumped up. No one's going to see it coming. The McClain bowlers are actually going to be top 3.
Student section, pop out. Let's go.
For real.
Never mind. I was just informed sectionals is during the day, so never mind student section.
Unless you want to skip school and go.
We can get